This video does not prohibit the usage of any application or anything. Also, this video is only for informative purposes and enjoyment. So don't go any hate, keep smiling. Follow my Instagram account and like my Facebook page, please. So guys, I have come up with a hot topic for my channel, that is that how to enable dark theme in Facebook. That is really hot topic, means after Android 9 there was a big problem in Android 9 and Android 9 point something, all Android 9 versions. There was a big problem that Facebook did not support dark mode. So this is the video according to it, and below Android 9 it supports, and above Android 9 there is a trick. So I'm gonna show you how. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. So guys, the first way of enabling the dark mode in Facebook application is for only below Android 9 versions, not above that or nor Android 9. It's just for Android 7 or 8. Look on your screen, you can see this option, settings and privacy, in the corner bar. In this here you will find the dark mode option. If you don't find it, then just you can see the setting options. You have to just search in the settings about this dark mode and you will automatically find it. As I am using Android 9, so I will not find it. Now the second way is to enable from settings. Look, this is only for Android versions above 9, for 10 or 10.1, 10.2, not in the 9, not in middle of the 9. It's just for above 9. So you'll just go to settings and you'll see in display, you will set the dark theme of device and automatically it will. As Android 10 is digital and it automatically turns on dark mode in all the applications when turned on from settings. The third and the main way is to use the Facebook Lite application. As Facebook Lite application does support the Facebook in dark. So guys, the fourth way is to use an application from Play Store. I'm going to show you. There are some applications that support Facebook in dark mode. I'll show you how. Like this, we have uninstalled Facebook Lite. Now we will type on it Facebook dark mode. Now you can see the first application. Just click on install and see what it does. So guys, basically these are some applications that support Facebook in dark mode, but you need to trust the owner of these applications before logging into it. They just put Facebook website on dark mode and just give you like this that it supports. So when you will open it, you will accept the privacy policy and it will say you have to see an ad to turn on dark mode. So you have to watch an ad. So guys, I have cut the ad because you all will be bored. Now you can go to color settings and you can see how it does look. So guys, the fifth and the last way is that not to use Facebook.